Today, it's about a food that you're very familiar with. You've probably have been eating this your entire life, and yet there's a lot you don't know about this food. It's got some scary elements and it's got some overpriced elements, and we're going to fix both of those today. Well, thank you for letting me share with you God's recipe for excellent health. Now, let's get to oats. You've seen it on the Cheerio boxes. Oh, oats lowers cholesterol. Well, actually, it's the fiber in the oats that lowers the cholesterol. Oats has been a favorite from the beginning of time. When I went to the farm to visit my grandma, she always had oatmeal cookies. Throw in some good raisins and you have me hooked. Or now we make oats and we put oats into our bread. It just lightens up the loaf, especially when we're doing freshly milling. Just mill a cup of oats, put it in your bread, your flour mixture, and it's just like that. Like, what are you doing different in your bread? There's something better about your bread than my bread. You're going to love the compliments. Oats are just a good staple in the diet. Yet there's a lot of concern about oats because, especially all of you who watched that last video I did on oats and the chlormequat spray that is used on the oats, it's horrific. And the reproductive harm that it causes, so many cancer issues that it's starting to prove that it causes. I'll put a link to Environmental Working Group down below where they did a complete study on this spray. Yeah, it gets to where our food becomes very scary. But today I'm going to share with you how you don't have to be scared of this food because it's a staple and it can so stretch your budget. I'm going to share with you how to do that. And I've got an experiment going on with these 4 bowls up here that are just going to be eye-opening to you. Yes, exactly. So let me start with the nutritional value of oats and why we don't want to just discard it because it's being sprayed with the chlormequat or it's got glyphosate spray on it. That's not a reason to walk away from it. That's a reason to be a smarter shopper. So oats is a food in the 3 principles. So principle number 1, eat the foods God called good. I don't think oats is in the scripture, but grains are. And yet oats is a food that God created for us to enjoy. But man has altered it. So whoever controls your food controls you. I speak about this in the Treasures of Healthy Living Bible study, or mostly in the DVD series. There's a fight going on right now, and the battle is for your food. And actually, it's been going on for a very long time because Eve battled with food. And so it's been going on for a long time. Food has always been an element of contention. And so today in America, the farmlands are being bought up by the big power people. I don't even want to mention their names on here. Why? Why is that? Because food controls you. But I'm saying, let's just break away from all of these controlling conglomerates and let's take ownership of our food. And oats is one of those foods that we can do that with. So oats, when we look at the nutritional value that God put in it, it actually helps to prevent against cancer. You can look at the studies that are out there about that. And you can also look at the studies where it helps to prevent against diabetes or to reverse diabetes, type 2 specifically. It helps with so many other things. It's anti-stress. It helps with hormones. There's just such a value in it. People who have SIBO, who have gut issues, who have a leaky gut lining, oats is going to help protect that. So oats gives us vitamins and minerals, specifically B1, B2, B3, and B5. It gives us vitamins such as vitamin E. It gives us minerals. It gives us so much. But when you combine vitamin E with selenium, that's a breast cancer prevention recipe. And it always comes in the foods that God has given us, and it's in the grain. So when you are milling your own grain, such as the wheat and the barley that we've talked about in other videos, now we're going to mill our own oats.
Get the free Bible Health ebook and discover 7 powerful steps to real, lasting transformation God's way. Break emotional eating. Learn what truly satisfies. Align your health with God's truth. This is your breakthrough. Get your free Bible Health ebook now on the website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. It's time to take the first step toward vibrant health, both physically and spiritually.
So besides what I've already mentioned, magnesium, manganese, and potassium. This is so important, especially for people who are on blood thinners or who've had a previous heart attack. Going further, zinc and also other nutrients such as omega-6. Now, omega-6 kind of gets a bad rap, but that's because we get too much omega-6. You need omega-6, but in the right proportions. You don't have to know how to count the proportions if you eat God's foods. He did the work for you. He's your master scientist. And because he knew what was best for you, because he's like, wait a minute, I made her, I made him, and I can give them what's best. Principle number 1, always remember, eat the foods God called good. Well, oats is a food that is good. So these are oat grains. And they are called either, some people will call them oat berries because typically we call wheat a wheat berry and rye a rye berry, but oats are typically known as oat groats. And so we just have a tiny little seed. It looks very much like wheat and barley and the other oats, that other grains that are out there. Yet, how you buy your oats makes all of the difference in the world. At our previous retreat that we had, our Reclaim Biblical Wellness Retreat, I did an experiment. And I'm going to show you my experiment here. So what I have in front of you, I have different bowls of oats. One of the oats is old-fashioned rolled oats. So you can kind of see it here. I have it in the bowl and I have it in the plate without any water. The next that I have here in front of you, this is my freshly flaked oats. This is the flaker. And so I will say this is one of the funnest machines I've ever had because it's something I never anticipated ever owning. Just that already elevates it to like, oh, well, this is fun. I've been milling grain for so long that it's like, oh yeah, I enjoy it, but it's not, doesn't hit my like excitement level anymore. But this does. And so just turning it on, putting grain in at the top and letting it flake the oats out for you. Oh, and they are so different than your rolled oats. So if you look at the oats and just look at the difference between the two, you can see how they feel different if you were here with me, and they aren't processed. Totally, that's what I want you to get from this. Flaked oats aren't processed because we can buy grain that has not been sprayed. We can buy oat groats that are not sprayed with the glyphosate or the chloroquat. And I talked all about that in that video. So go catch that video and educate yourself on those two topics. The next bowl I have is steel cut oats. Now steel cut, we all know they take so long to cook. They are the least processed of what we typically buy in the grocery store. But still, if they don't say organic, then they're going to be sprayed. And I have lots of steel cut oats out in my pantry, but yet they take so long to cook. And then lastly, we have those packets of oats, the little breakfast packets, brown sugar, cinnamon, whatever the flavor is. I mixed in one of those. I want you to see my experiment, and here's why. People will say, oh, I can't eat oats. I just feel sick and bloated. There's a reason why. Or some people are celiac, or they think they're gluten sensitive, and oats can be contaminated by other products that are being processed in the same plant. And so I want you to see something. In each one of these bowls, I am adding a digestive enzyme because I want you to see what happens in your stomach. And this was so cool at the retreat because we had 3 days and we watched the progression of it for 3 days. It was fascinating because what happened was the old-fashioned oats, and then at the retreat, I also had quick oats too as well. But today we're just doing old-fashioned and then the flaked oats. The flaked oats automatically started breaking down in the warm water faster than anything else. They're so freshly flaked, obviously, that they absorb the water. They're quicker to metabolize in your digestive system, and therefore you're going to get all of the nutrients that I just listed for you very quickly into your cells. The feeling of satisfaction is going to be greater, and the need for more is going to be less. Hope that makes sense. And then we have, the next one is the steel cut. So I've added the water and I've added the digestive enzyme. And then the last one is the breakfast packets. I've added the water and I've added the enzymes. Here it is 2 days later. I want to show you what is going on with our enzyme test here. So here we have the instant packets, that have the flavoring in it. And here you can see it in the bowl. It's still not totally broken down. And here we have steel cut. Of course, steel cut are not going to break down 100%, but they're very soft. So you can kind of see that. But most importantly, we have the freshly flaked. That is really just a mush. That's all there is left there. So the enzymes have definitely worked good on that. But on the old fashioned, we still have flakes that didn't break down. The point of this is when you have enzymes, and here's one of the products I use a lot with my clients. When you have enzymes, it helps with the breakdown of the oats. Many people who can't tolerate oats are because they don't have the enzymes to break it down. So I hope this has been helpful to you, that when you do freshly flaked oats, you have a greater breakdown with the food and better absorption of the nutrients. So of all of them, it is the best, and I hope this is helpful. Now let's go on. So we need to realize there is a problem with our oats and with our food. And the main one is it's processed. The more people touch your food, the less benefit it is for you. Please understand that. So with wanting to take over the health of your family, buying the oat groats is going to be a big benefit for you. And so flaking the oats yourself. And so if you are also a prepper and you like to make sure you have enough food stored for the winter, be a Proverbs 31 prepper, I have a book out there that you might want to check out if you want to learn more about being a prepper and how to do it. It gives you very simple and very methodical steps on how to do it. You can check that book out. So you can store the oat groats longer than you can store any of these other products. I don't know about that breakfast packet. The way they're processed, you might be able to store for years, which is scary. Okay, so those who are looking to increase their protein level, well, oats have a great content of protein in them. We need to also recognize that oats have fiber, and that's why packages can make the claim that it lowers cholesterol, it's very heart healthy. It's because of the fiber and the vitamin E. Now, the vitamin E is probably non-existent in the processed foods because it is an oil. If you're seeking digestive wellness, want to get rid of constipation, oats are the perfect food for that. But yet most oats in the store cause digestive upset, and it's because of the sprays and the processing. And then lastly, you can save money. And so basically 25 pounds of rolled oats is $1.15. So oats are higher in protein. In fact, according to the different websites that source the nutrition data, oats are higher protein compared to wheat, spelt, barley, millet, and even quinoa. Money savings, cutting out a step of processing makes our whole oats cheaper. So we can buy in bulk, we have a longer shelf life. Now, when you are cooking the oats, how do you do this differently? What I have found is the freshly flaked oats, they cook faster. If you're going to use it in a cookie recipe, your cookies are going to be softer and chewier. If you throw it in your bread's just going to be more scrumptious. And here I actually have my granola. You can make granola out of your oats and then just top it on your yogurt. You can throw the oats even in your smoothie. You can add oats to your breakfast cereal. You can do so much with oats. There's no limit. You could go ahead and toast them. You're going to lose a little bit of the nutritional content and then top it on your salads. There's so much you can do with oats, but we always love the cookie anyway. You can add oats just like they are, just freshly flaked, into brownies or into other cookies. When budgets are tight, adding freshly flaked oats into making burgers, hamburgers, or turkey burgers or chicken burgers will stretch the meat to go further, where you won't cost as much buying the meat because you're stretching it with the oats. If you're going to make chili, you could add oats to it. So if you're going to make any type of soup, you can add freshly flaked oats into the soup. It just gives you kind of that, there's something chewing in here that's very delicious. You're adding protein to that dish for your family and so many other things. So consider all the ways you can use oats in your meal, and you're going to get amazing health benefits. You're going to save on your budget, and your body's going to say, thank you, that's what we've been wanting, is the real food. So when it comes to oats and the 3 principles, eat the foods that God called good, freshly flaked from oat groats is number 1. Principle number 2, eat the foods as close to the way God designed them. That's only going to be freshly flaked oats. It's not going to be rolled oats, quick oats, steel cut oats, or breakfast packages. No. If you want to eat oats the way God designed them, you want them freshly flaked yourself. And third, don't let any food become an addiction. Okay. Be careful about that sugar in those oatmeal cookies. Otherwise, you should be fine with the oats. As far as flaking them yourself, this is the mock meal flaker. We'll put a link to our website down below. When you purchase from us, they do give us an affiliate income, and we use that to train ambassadors around the world to lead a biblical wellness revival. So we always thank you for any purchase you make on our site. Thank you so much for letting me share with you God's recipe for excellent health. And it does include oats, not the processed, but it does include the oat groats that you can mill yourself anytime you want. You could store them once they're milled, but I wouldn't store them any differently than you do your flour. I would just store them in, just in a nice container and use them really quickly. But it's so easy. It's a small machine. Just mill it as you need it, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like, subscribe, and the bell so we can stay connected. And I want to welcome you into the Biblical Nutritionist family, where together we get to share God's recipe for excellent health. Thanks for watching, and be sure and share this video with 3 of your friends.
Struggling with cravings, fatigue, or confusion about your health? You're not alone. But you don't have to stay stuck. Get the free Bible Health ebook and discover 7 powerful steps to real, lasting transformation God's way. Break emotional eating. Learn what truly satisfies. Align your health with God's truth. This is your breakthrough. Get your free Bible Health ebook now on the website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. It's time to take the first step toward vibrant health, both physically and spiritually.